Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair shop in Holland, Michigan. Today I'm doing this video regarding the new issues with replacing iPhone from iPhone 10 to the latest, about everything like changing the screen, the battery, the chassis, like anything that involves sensor related on the phone, because the screens, the battery, the chassis, they have to be matching in order for Apple to not send that warning signal that says this is not genuine, or issues like that I encountered. Before I do this video, I would like to say don't attempt this to do in the home if you don't have a little bit of a knowledge on a electronic repair. It can cause to lose the phone completely, or you might pay a high price after if you attempt the repair. But in this case, this is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It had a back cover broken, the chassis, so I replaced with a aftermarket chassis. Unfortunately, Apple is trying to give us a hard time when we repair now phones, because if you replace a screen, if it's not genuine like Apple says, then you would have that message appearing, or a battery, and you need to replace it with a sensor. But in this case, when I replaced the chassis, the phone would just keep basically restarting and loop. And after replacing, I checked the battery. After replacing the battery, or did a couple troubleshoots, I found out that the aftermarket parts that the chassis come with, they don't have, I'd say, the original like Apple wants. So in that case, in order to not have that loop repeat of a phone coming on, you need to replace basically every parts that come that has original on your phone. That includes your charging port, your the power button, the sensors, and after that, phone works perfect. No more looping or shutting down. So this is all I got for you. But like I said, if you, the only time you would have this problem if you do change the chassis, and if you do replace it with an aftermarket, you're going to go through this process. So make sure you save the old parts from your old phone to replace it onto the aftermarket one. Otherwise, the phone will not function right. That's all I got. And if you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe on our channels. Time to time we put videos that helps you out there and saves you money, so you know, at least if you take it to a tech shop, you know what the problem is before they charge you arm and leg. That's all I got. Thank you from me. I'm Ilir with Freedom Tech, the repair shop in Holland, Michigan, and I hope to see you the next time.